Dumpty on the vegetable train. Humpty Dumpty climbed aboard the train. Choo 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 down the lane. Carrots, tomatoes, peas and corn. Clackety clack, clackety clack, the veggies were born. Humpty Dumpty waved to his friends. Toot 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 toot, the fun never ends. He bounced and giggled in each little car. Hop 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 hop, near and far. The train went up the hill so high. Chug 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 chug, reaching the sky. Down the slope all veggies rolled. Rumble 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 rumble, fun uncontrolled. Humpty Dumpty laughed all the way. Clap clap clap, hooray hooray. Choo choo, the train came to a stop. Buzz buzz buzz, and all hopped off. Humpty Dumpty and friends so dear wave wave with happy cheer. Veggies and